Hello and welcome back. So how do you format data into a table? I've used the charts type of data to show you what a table is and how you can insert a table. I've just deleted the chart from the Excel sheet itself, but to create a table from whatever data you have that is already not created into a table, you just need to place your cursor, or you just need to highlight one cell inside the data that you want to create the table from, and then just go to insert, then table. And it's going to highlight all the data. Excel is just intelligent enough to know this is the type of data that you want to create a table from. Then you need to tell it my table has headers. If you don't tell it my table has headers, in fact, let's just do the two of them. First, we are going to create a table without checking the my table has headers option. So I'm going to remove it and create. See, Excel now creates a table, and you have to see it's trying to create headers for you, so you can come in and rename them. Like where it says column 1, you say items, then here you say Jan, then do 2023. Okay, you see it renames it properly. But our data already has tables. I was just undoing with the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl Z or Command Z. If I select the whole data, the other way is to select the whole data, but that's a lot of work. You won't even imagine you have a very big table like occupying all that columns and rows. What will you do? So I just select one of the cells, click insert, then table, then I say my data has headers, click OK. It's converted the topmost into a header, and this is how you know the difference between a table and what is not a table, because from this the table headers have been put here, and then there's this option that allows you to filter, because I can only say I want to see the 273. That's it. I deselect all or select all, it shows everything. So by default it is selecting all. If you don't want, if you just want to see one thing, let's say this 673, you can see it's water. Okay, so that's how you know table and something that is not a table, because a table allows you to do all these other things like filtering and putting it in order, because you can also sort by ascending or descending. Or the ascending is from the smallest to the highest, while descending is from the highest or the biggest to the smallest. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is, if I want to format my table, all I need to do is click somewhere in the table, and then the table tab or ribbon tab becomes active. I click on it and I'm able to change the type of table. I can click here, see it's changed the colors. If I can click here, it changes this as well. You can add the filter button or remove the filter button, because sometimes this is how your data is, but you don't want to have the filter button. If you click on the table and go to the table options and add or remove, because that's a function that has been added to you, the user. If you want to show the header row, that's it, click there. If you want to show the total row, because you're able to see totals as well, because it automatically calculates for you, you can highlight it here or not. Okay, we are going to pass through the other functions later on, but that's the basic of how to create a table. I don't like the filter button on my table, so I'm going to remove that. If you want to remove duplicates, that's how you can remove duplicates from your table, and you can also name it. So this, I'm going to say first table, and that's it. And they don't allow spaces. They don't allow spaces. Nice. So if you click here, it says here table name, first table, and you can change the color and everything here. So that's it on how to format data into a table from a beginner's perspective, but there is more that goes into tables, and you can easily try to order data using tables in Excel. See you in the next tutorial where we'll be speaking about the if and or functions. See you.